Okay, so for problem set 9, problem 4, I did parts A and B, which is for A is calculating the future value. So the equation is present value times 1 plus the rate raised to the time, or the years in this case. So it goes 9,750 times 1 plus the interest rate, which is 12%, so 0.12, raised to the time, which is 17 years. And then it comes out to be $66,944 after that 17-year time frame. So for part B, to find the interest rate, you had to do the future value equation, which is future value equals present value times 1 plus the interest rate raised to time again. So for this, it looks like 42,486 equals the present value of, or what was originally invested, of 21,600 times 1 plus the interest rate, which we don't have, raised to the time, which is 10 years. And then you solve this by, you divide 42,486 by 21,600, which gives you 1.967, and then equals 1 plus the interest rate raised to the 10th power, and then you get the square root, 10 square root of 1.967 minus 1, which gives you final answer of 0.069, which equals 7% interest rate for this problem.
And so I did problem 4C for this chapter. And so we're going to be finding the present value from the future value, or finding the initial deposit. And so we know that this initial deposit now is equal to 15,000. And so we're going to take this 15,000 here, and we're going to divide it by the 1 plus our rate, and then, which is given in the problem as well. And then we're going to raise this to how many years it's been accumulating in the bank. And then this will give us our answer of $8,752 was the initial deposit in the bank. And so for 4D, we're trying to find out how many years this initial deposit has been accumulating in the bank. And so we have the future value over here and the initial deposit. And so to do this, we're going to do the initial, or that future value divided by this initial deposit, which gives us roughly 2.591, and that's going to be equal to this 1.1, which you get from the 1 plus our rates, roughly raised to x, because we don't know what we don't know how many years it's been accumulating in the bank. And so to solve for this and get x isolated by itself on this side, you would do this natural log of our 2.59 and then divided by the natural log of 1.1. And then that gives you 10, which is, or 9.98, which is roughly 10 years. And so this is our screencast. Thank you.